Question is, a charge of 10 coulomb is placed at the center of a cube of side 10 centimeter. Calculate flux linked with one surface. Okay, see. So according to question, we have a cube. Okay, it is cube and a charge of 20 microcoulomb, 10 coulomb, sorry. 10 coulomb is placed at center. Okay, definitely the number of lines will pass through the surface of the cube, and you are asked to calculate the flux through one surface, means you need to calculate from one surface. So how to calculate this? Any idea? Any idea?
तो
Tell me.
सरफेस एरिया हमारा लेके
No, now see this. See, total flux, since it is closed surface, so total flux will be phi is equal to q by epsilon naught, which is 10 by epsilon naught. Okay, and through one surface, how many surfaces are here? Tell me, how many surfaces are here? Six. Six. And definitely the flux which is linked with each surface will be same, because the charge is at center. Charge is at center. So flux through one surface phi 1 will be equal to 5 by 6. Simple. 10 by 6 by epsilon 6 epsilon naught. It becomes 5 by 3 epsilon naught. Answer done. Simple. Got it?
No sir.
Okay. One more question. If the if the edge of cube in previous question is doubled, then what would be the effect on flux linked with each surface? Tell me, if I double the size of the cube, then what would be the change in the flux linked with each surface?
No
Give
change.
me answer. Why there is no change?
Because it does not depend on size, मतलब area वगैरह.
Correct. Because flux does not depend upon size of closed surface. As phi equal to q by epsilon naught, then we can say the flux does not depend upon size of the closed surface. So there will be no change in the flux. Okay. One more question I'm giving you. Question is, a charge of 10 microcoulomb is placed at center of a cube of side 10 centimeter and a sphere of radius 10 centimeter. Okay, 10 centimeter. What would be the ratio of flux linked with cube and sphere. Okay, your options are 1:1, B 1:pi, C pi r cube. Okay, uh, pi r. Okay, 1:10, and D 10:2 pi. Sorry, 3 pi. Okay, tell me the answer.
Sir, 1:1.
1:1 by
Because that does not depend on radius.
okay, answer is correct. C 1:1 because flux does not depend upon shape of the closed surface. Okay, so these are some questions which generally asked in your competitive exams also regarding flux. Okay, now one more question. Question is, 1 minute. Huh? Okay, 5 into 10 to the power 5 into 10 to the power 12 Newton meter square per coulomb flux is linked with one surface of a cube of side 10 centimeter when the charge is placed at center of cube. Okay, if epsilon naught is equal to no. If the cube is filled with water, then what would be the change in flux and also calculate the charge at center of cube. Okay, so we are going to solve this question. I'm just giving you a hint. Okay, I'm just giving you a hint. Suppose this is the cube. Here 10 microcoulomb charge is placed. 10 microcoulomb? No, 5 into 10. Okay, we are going to calculate the charge. Suppose charge is q. Here flux through one surface is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 12 Newton meter square per coulomb. Okay, and epsilon naught is equal to 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb square per Newton meter square. Okay, so these are the values which we already know. Now see, you are asked to calculate charge and the effect on electric flux when cube is filled with water. Suppose the cube is filled with water and charge is at center, then if cube is filled with water, then flux will be, tell me what is the actual formula of flux. Phi E is equal to
Q by epsilon naught.
Q by epsilon naught. Okay? If we are using the medium, then we will replace this this permittivity with the permittivity of the
Liquid.
medium. So phi E in medium is equal to Q by epsilon. Okay, now relative permittivity K is equal to epsilon by
81.
epsilon naught. So epsilon equal to K epsilon naught. So what will be right? Q by K epsilon naught. So simply K times it will be decreased. Now the dielectric constant of water is
81.
dielectric constant of water is 80. Okay,
80 होता है? Okay.
dielectric constant
हाँ सर
80.
81.
Okay,
हाँ सर 81 सुना
80
है।
80 81, somewhere it is 80, some in some books it is 81, doesn't matter.
Okay
No,
sir, okay.
I'm giving you 80, that means you have to use 80. Okay, now
Okay sir.
flux in air phi1 is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 12, sorry 12. So flux in water phi w is equal to 5 into 10 to the power 12 by 80. Just solve it and get the answer. Okay, now you need to calculate charge. Phi is equal to q by epsilon naught, that means q equal to phi into epsilon naught. Simple, put the value, get the answer. 5 into 10 to the power 12. Do not write here the flux of water. Okay, if you write this, then you need to use this formula. Okay, into 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12, cut these. Q is equal to 5 5 is 35, no 25, 5 8 is 45, 5 8 is 44 coulomb. It is the answer. Q equal to 4.45 into 10 to the power 1 coulomb. So you got what am I saying?
Yes sir.
सर
Hmm.
एक मिनट पीछे वाले पेज पे ले जाना।
बोलो।
हाँ ठीक है ठीक है ठीक है।